Hi guys, welcome back to GP Reactions. I hope you're well. Hope you're having a great day today, and it's the very beginning of a week, so I've got a whole week to go before the weekend. Apologise for not being around to doing many reactions last week. I was a little bit under the weather, I had a bit of a headache, and I've just this lack of sleep I've been experiencing. So fortunately, I spent most of the weekend sleeping, and that was fantastic. Anyway, I am back, and I just want to thank everybody that has subscribed, commented, and obviously anybody that supports my channel through Buy Me a Coffee. That's like really, really appreciated. Here we are, and I'm going to react to a group that I've only just heard of, and they're called Montrose, and it's a track called Bad Motor Scooter, and I think this is probably from a debut album called Montrose, which was released in October 1973. Interesting thing about this band is that they consist of Sammy Hagar on vocals. Now, I've heard of Sammy Hagar in connection with Van Halen, and I think I maybe heard the odd track before he joined Van Halen as well. So I know he's got a pretty rip-roaring voice. We've also got Ronnie Montrose on guitar, Bill Church on bass, Denny Kamasi on drums. So a very neat little lineup. Bad Motor Scooter is actually written by Sammy Hagar. I do believe this is your Gravus test. I really hope that this doesn't get blocked. And my apologies if this is a shorter version of the album, of the proper audio album track version. So, okay, without further ado, I'm really looking forward to seeing what Sammy Hagar sounds like in the 70s. It's going to be amazing. I think this is from 1974. I'll have a read of the comments afterwards just to have a look, see if anyone can shed any light on this as well. So, yeah, let's click play. It's interesting. Sammy Hagar's got a touch of the Roger Daltrey's about him. I don't think I've ever seen, apart from Van Halen videos, a couple of Van Halen videos. I don't think I've ever actually seen Sammy Hagar um, sing. I know. I'm assuming this was live on the old Ghostbusters. So yeah, it's really interesting, and it does remind me a lot of Roger Daltrey and maybe a little bit of, I don't know, probably not Led Zeppelin, but yeah, I love it. Yeah, it's really just nice rock and roll track, quite energetic. But yeah, I like it. I love his voice, and yeah, he looks a hell of a lot younger. Although actually, no, he doesn't. He looks just slightly different. Because I think in a later, I remember Van Halen video, he's got a lot of short hair and stuff. So. Nice. really cool guitar break. Amazing hair. That was really solid performance. Montrose, Bad Motor Scooter, just great drums, great guitar break, great bass as well. But I think eclipsing that slightly is the just the power and energy of Sammy Hagar's voice, which was just yeah, it's just really incredible, and it did give me those Who vibes, Roger Daltrey vibes, and it's just really cool. I think the lyrics were um, yeah, kind of self-explanatory, but I just kind of whizzed through them now. If you get lonely on your daddy's farm, just remember I don't live too far, and there's a red bridge that arcs the bay. Yeah, San Francisco. You'll be at my place in less than a day, so get on your bad motor scooter and ride up over to my place and stay all night. First thing in the morning, we'll be feeling all right. So get on your bad motor scooter and ride. Ooh, the last I seen your face, I swore no one would take your place. Now since you've been gone, I've been feeling bad. Yeah, I'd come out to your place, but I'm afraid of your dad. So does that mean that even though he said he wouldn't like go with anyone else, then he kind of has, and maybe the dad's found out, so he's going to be in trouble with the dad. You get on your bad motor scooter and ride up over to my place and stay all night. First thing in the morning, be feeling all right, all right, all right, all right. Yeah, I think it's just a basic. It's kind of like bad boy who's luring, who's. I mean, maybe she's a bad girl as well, you know. But it's definitely one of those songs of a good old motorbike song. But basically, there's not really much else to kind of be said about this. It was nice, a nice bit of rock and roll. I kind of missed that. I was reacting to a lot of Rush's first album, and that had the kind of the same kind of vibes to it. I'm gonna have to get back to that, but this was cool. Now, I would be interested in maybe reacting to something by Montrose. Perhaps if it was like a little bit different. Um, because apart from Sammy Hagar's fantastic voice, I want there to be a little bit more substance in the next track I listen to. A little bit like I know that I'm listening to Rush's first album, but I know that is it Neil Peart will be joining the band towards the end of that first album, and then we'll get all his influences from then on in. And similarly with like groups like Yes, listen to the first album, but I know that they're going to evolve. Um, and obviously, I'm not sure how long Montrose, the band, were going and how long Sammy Hagar was with them. But if they did kind of go on to a second or third album, I would like to kind of know that there's a little bit of evolution there, a little bit of variety, just something a little bit different to listen to. But don't misunderstand what I'm saying here. This is a really cool rock and roll track, and it's just kind of great to see that kind of simple lineup, and everybody's kind of going for it, giving it their everything. There's no pretensions there. Um, lit, they're literally going for it, and I love that. I love the energy of it, and it'd be a great driving track actually. Definitely as it's about a motor scooter, bad boy on a motor scooter, um, or bad girl on a motor scooter actually. But yeah, I have nothing else to say on that. Please join me in the comments below. If you know anything, I did promise to have a look at the have a look at see what the comments are turned off. Isn't that just typical? Um, so yeah, if you know anything about this collection of musicians and you know anything about Sammy Hagar's progression, um, yeah, I'd love to know. Join me in the comments below and have a superb rest of the week. And so yeah, till next time, take care of yourselves and I'll speak to you soon.